Matagumpay ang isinagawang outreach program ng Diwata Women's in Mining sa pagdiriwang ng kanilang ika-14 na taong anibersaryo, kasabay din sa pagdiriwang ng Nelson Mandela International Day Service and Solidarity. Katuwang ng Diwata ang Mandela Day Outreach Program at ang iba pang partner organization at government offices. Isinagawa ang outreach program sa Magata, Manggahan Elementary School, Barangay Daraitan, Tanay Rizal. Kinailangan pang magbiyahe ng mahigit 3 oras sa may 80 kilometrong kalsada mula sa Maynila para pagtasin ang matataas na ahon at malalim na papabang sementadong lansangan sa may 4 na kilometrong rough road na bumabaybay sa Lumutan at Daraitan River. Una nang dumating sa lugar, ang mga tauhan ng Teresa Marble Corporation na may dalang 3 elf na naglalaman ng bigas, rescue team ng ICTSI, MDRRM Mutanay, PNP personnel at mga kagawad ng Philippine Army. Bandang alas 9 na magdatingan naman ang grupo ng Diwata kasama ang ambasador ng South Africa, partner agencies, local government unit ng Rizal at Tanay at iba pa. Target nila na mapagkalooban ng biyaya ang may 250 pamilya mula sa Barangay Laiban at Daraitan at ang 350 mag-aaral ng Magata Manggahan Elementary School, pawang mula sa indigenous people na dumagat remontado. Maaga rin nagdatingan mga benepisyaryo ng programa na kabilang sa mga katutubong dumagat remontado mula sa karatig na sityo sa Magata na sakop ng Barangay Laiban at mga residente ng Manggahan, Daraitan. Hindi matatawaran ang biyayang ipinagkaloob sa mga pamilya at mag-aaral na kinabibilangan ng mga school supplies, bags, groceries, mga payong, tumbler, bigas, malinis na inuming tubig na nasa malalaking container at iba pa. Naging tampok at labis-labis ang kagalakan ng mga mag-aaral na karamihan ay anak ng mga katutubo dahil sa nakapiling nila ang sa pangarap at sa social media lamang nila nakikita at naririnig ang mascot ng Jollibee at siyempre pa ang pagkaing hatid ng Jollibee. Sa talumpati ni South African Ambassador Her Excellency Bartina Radede Netsitense, sinabi nito na malaking karangalan sa kanila na makarating sa bayan ng Tanay para ipagdiwang ang karawan ng kanilang presidente na si Nelson Mandela. Nagpasalamat din ito sa indigenous people ng Tanay, sa mga sponsor, sa Diwata at iba pa. Ibinahagi rin ito ang ilang simulain, buhay at gawa ni President Nelson Mandela.
It is a great honor to be here with you today as we commemorate Nelson Mandela International Day. On behalf of the Embassy of South Africa, together with our inspiration ladies of Diwata, I greet you all. I extend my sincere gratitude to the indigenous people community of Tanay, the teachers and learners of Magata Manggahan Elementary School, our general sponsors, community leaders, and everyone who has joined us for this meaningful occasion. Mandela Day is observed every year on 18 July. The birthday of South Africa's first democratically elected president, Nelson Rolihlahla Mandela. It is more than a celebration of his life. It is a global call to action as said by the United Nations. It reminds us that each one of us has the power and the responsibility to make a positive difference in the lives of others. President Mandela once said, "What counts in life is not mere facts that we have lived. It is what differences we have made to the life of others that will determine the significance of the life we lead." Those words continue to inspire millions of people around the world. Mandela devoted his life to justice, equality, dignity, and compassion. He believed that no community should be left behind and that every child deserved the opportunity to learn, to dream, and to build a brighter future. Today, we are honored to spread Nelson Mandela Day with the indigenous people community here in Tanay. We recognize and celebrate We are rich cultural heritage, we are resilient, and a deep connection to the land and to one another. Their traditions and values are an important part of the Philippines' cultural identity and deserve to be preserved and celebrated for generations to come. Our gathering today is a reminder that solidarity knows no borders. Although South Africa and Philippines are separated by thousands of kilometers, we are united by shared values of community, humanity, and hope. In South Africa, we have a beautiful philosophy known as Ubuntu. Ubuntu teaches us that I am because we are. It reminds us that our humanity is deeply connected to the humanities of others. When one community thrives, we all benefit. When someone is in need, we all have a responsibility to help where we can. The spirit of Ubuntu is what brought us today here. We hope that the food packs, hygiene kits, school supplies, and other donations that are distributed today will provide practical support to families and learners. While this contribution may seem modest, they are given with sincere hearts and with the hope that they make daily life just a little easy. To all sponsors and stakeholders, today we stand united by a shared mission to nurture, protect, and empower this community. This mission is made feasible by the generosity and kindness like you. I would like to express our deepest appreciation to you all. Your kindness and willingness to support these initiatives, some of you yearly. It's not an easy way, we know, and we do not take that for granted. Your contributions are more than donations. They are investment in people, in education, and in stronger communities. Thank you for believing in the importance of giving back. To their parents and families, thank you for welcoming us into your community. We recognize the important role you play in preserving your traditions while encouraging your children to pursue education and opportunities for the future. To the learners here today, I would like to leave you with a simple message. Never stop believing in yourself. Continue to learn, ask questions, and think big. Your culture is something to be proud of, and your future is full of possibilities. Education is one of the greatest tools you can use to shape your own future and to strengthen your community. As we live here today, let us remember that Mandela Day is not about one day of service. It is about carrying the spirit of kindness, compassion, and service with us on a very day of the year. Even the smallest act of kindness has the power to change someone's life. May today's gathering strengthen the bonds of friendship between our communities and remind us that by working together we can build a more caring and inclusive, hopeful future. Once again, I would like to tell you something. I am from the background that is as poor as this. I stand here today as a testimony that if you are the government and the people invest in their own people, they can become tomorrow what they never dreamed they could be. I am a testimony of that. It is why every day I celebrate Nelson Mandela. It brings memories and tears in my eyes because I know I want to benefit from generosities of the good people. So once again, thank you to everyone who made this day possible. Maraming salamat po. Thank you very much.
Sa mensahe naman ni Diwata President Rodalie Opiasa na binasa ni Diwata Executive Director Marilu de la Cruz, binigyang din ito ang kahalagahan ng event para sa South Africa at sa Diwata. Isa umano sa pinakamahalagang misyon ng Diwata ay ang pagsusulong ng karapatan ng mga katutubo at ang kanilang ginagawa ay kontribusyon sa kauunlad ng katutubong komunidad.
Maraming salamat po sa pagpapaunlak. I am also speaking on behalf of the chairman of the Diwata, Ambassador Delia Albert, who can't be here today but is very much happy about this event. Kinagagala at kinararangal ng Diwata Women and Resource Development Inc. o Diwata na maging isa sa mga nag-organisa ng ating community outreach ngayong araw. Katuwang ng Embahada ng South Africa. Napakahalaga ng araw na ito para sa South Africa at sa Diwata dahil ipinagtitiwang natin ang Nelson Mandela Day. Si Nelson Mandela ay naging Pangulo ng South Africa at itinuturing siyang isang bayani at simbolo ng kalayaan, kapayapaan at pagkakapantay-pantay. Minakasal niya ang diskriminasyon na batay sa lahi o kulay ng balat sa South Africa. Ito ang dahilan kung bakit pinili namin itatag ang Diwata noong ika-18 ng July 2012, ang Nelson Mandela Day, sapagkat naniniwala kami at nais namin isabuhay at itaguyod ang mga adhikaing kanyang ipinaglaban. Ang pagdalaw namin sa inyo ay sa okasyon ng ika-14 na taong anibersaryo ng Diwata. Isa sa pinakamahalagang misyon ng Diwata ay ang pagsulong ng karapatan ng mga katutubo. Kaya't kami ay nakikisa sa inyo ang Humagat Remontado Indigenous Cultural Community na naninirahan dito sa Sitio Manggahan, Barangay Dalagitan, Tanay Rizal. Ang aming community outreach ngayong araw ay ang aming kontribusyon sa ikauunlad ng inyong komunidad habang binibigyang pugay ang paninindigan ni Nelson Mandela para sa paglilingkod, dignidad, pagkakapantay-pantay at pagkakaisa. Kaya binabati ko kayo lahat ng Happy Nelson Mandela Day at mabuhay po tayong lahat. Maraming salamat.
Sa pahayag naman ni Rizal Gobernador Nina Rixie Henares, nagpasalamat ito dahil ang napakalayong lugar sa lalawigan ay nabigyan ng pansin. Binigyang din ng gobernadora ang panahon at ligasiya ni Nelson Mandela, ang kanyang pakikibaka para sa hustisya, pagkakapantay-pantay at pambansang rekonsilyasyon.
Isang mapagpala at makasaysayang araw po ito sa ating lahat. Sabi ko nga po, sa Madam Ambassador, ako'y nagpapasalamat dahil ang mga lugar na kumukha natin na malalayo ay minsan ay hindi na nabibigyan ng pansin. As I've said, thank you for having given us that attention. Considering we are considered as a far-flung area that most of the time have been forgotten. It's been forgotten by others, but you remembered us. Today, we are honoring the life and legacy of one of the greatest leaders the world has ever known, Nelson Mandela, or Madiba, as he is more popularly called, for his tirelessly long struggle to end apartheid and his commitment to justice, equality, and national reconciliation. Something our country badly needs at the moment. As someone as respectable, courageous, and resilient as the great Madiba, I believe honoring his memory should not just be in words, but in action. And this is the very essence of this outreach program today. On behalf of the province of Rizal, I extend our deepest gratitude to the South African Embassy and to Diwata. The support, learning opportunities, and spirit of service you bring today remind us that environmental stewardship and community development go hand in hand. More importantly, they inspire us to continue working together in building communities that are more inclusive, just, and resilient. And as the global community comes together to honor the timeless legacy of a true champion of human dignity, peace, and reconciliation,
Nanawagan din ng gobernadora sa bawat isa na taglayin ng legasiya ni Mandela.
I call on everyone to carry Madiba's spirit forward today and every day.
Natuwa rin si Inares matapos na biruin nito mga bata kung sino ang pipiliin, siya ba o ang Jollibee.
Sa mga bata, sino ang mas gusto nyo? Kami o si Jollibee? Mas nais ko naman si Jollibee. Ako na lang. Ayaw? Anong gusto nyo? Si Jollibee! Si Jollibee ay pwede yatang magtanggal ng isang presidente sa Pilipinas sa sobrang popular. Ngunit alam ko, hindi ko na po pagkatatagal-tagalin ito at gusto na nila si Jollibee at alam ko naman naghihintay tayo sa mga dala ng ating mga kaibigan. Maraming salamat po. Thank you very, very much from the bottom of our hearts. And welcome to the province of Rizal. May God bless us all, and to God be all the glory. Thank you.
Pinasalamatan naman ni Tanay Mayor Rex Manuel Tanwatco ang mga taong nasa likuran ng matagumpay na outreach program at binigyan din nito ang malaking tulong sa kanyang mga kababayan at ang ipinagkaloob na biyaya.
Po dito ang ating diwata, Women in Resource Development Incorporated, to all stakeholders, ICTS naman, sa lahat po ng sponsor natin na narito, sa mga, dito si Kapitan Estrellado, hindi Pamagawan ng Daraitan, si Kagawad Kalimutan, sa ating po mga guro, mga estudyante, mga mamayan ng Barangay Daraitan at Laipan na narito, isang magandang tanay. So, first of all, I would like to thank all the sponsors for being here in one of our farthest community here in province of Rizal. This is already the boundary of Quezon and Rizal. So you made it. But for our sponsor, ICTSI, most of your head are always here in Tanay. They do camping and they do off-roading here. Some of your heads are my friends in off-roading. That's why I am familiar with your company now. So, first of all, today we are celebrating the Nelson Mandela International Day. We made difference in South Africa. We made equality part of life in South Africa. Also here, in the province of Rizal, headed by our Governor, Nina Richinares, they made equality by having representative of our indigenous people in the Sangguniang Pandalawigan. So be having a voice in our provincial government and having a voice in the municipal government of Tanay. The spirit of Nelson Mandela lives in every part of our municipality and our government here in the province of Rizal. So to all the sponsors from the people of Tanay, I would like to thank all of you. Sana po huwag kayong magsasawang tumulong sa mga kalalawigan po namin, sa lalawigan namin. At huwag rin kayo mag-asawa. Pumunta sa bayan ng Tanay. Meron pa po kaming 8 barangay dito sa aming Upland Barangay. So muli, maraming salamat and magandang Tanay po sa ating lahat.
Sa pahayag naman ni ICTSI Foundation Executive Director Miss Filipina Lauriena, sinabi nito na napakagandang pagkakataon na magkasama-sama para magbigay ng kasiyahan.
This is really a very nice opportunity for us to get together and provide this much joy to these kids and also to our IT brothers and sisters. Thank you very much for the LGU, for the office of the Embassy of South Africa. ICTSI has four ports in South Africa, that's in Durban, Madagascar, Nigeria, and Congo. So we are very much we are very happy to be part of this event to celebrate Mandela Day. Again, thank you very much.
Abot-abot naman ang pasasalamat ng mga katutubo na nakinabang sa outreach program dahil sa kanilang mga natanggap. Kabilang sa nagpaabot ng pasasalamat, si Manggahan IP Chieftain Eupemia Enciso sa lahat ng mga tumulong. Pinasalamatan din ito ang binigay na pagpapalaga sa kanila.
At ako po ay nagpapasalamat sa mga tao na tumulong po na malaking bagay po na ibigay sa amin na tulong, katulad po ng bigas at mga groceries po. Nagpapasalamat po ako sa mga NGO, sa Diwata at sa iba't ibang ahensya po na binigyan kami ng kahalagahan na kami ay mabigyan ng tulong. Maraming salamat po.
Dahil sa dami ng pinagkaloob na biyaya, halos hindi na madala ng mga benepisyaryo ang goods na ipinagkaloob sa kanila. At abot-abot din ang pasasalamat nila sa mga natanggap niya biyaya dahil para sa kanila. Matagal na nilang magiging konsumo ang kanilang natanggap na lubhang napakarami.
Nagpapasalamat po kami at na maligaya po kami at masayang-masaya dahil malaki po ang naitulong po ninyong grupo. Yun lang po ang aking masasabi. Napakarami po ang aming pasasalamat, hindi po maubos.
Ito po yung sa inyo. Kaya niyo po dalahin yan?
Hindi nga po sir eh. Sa lami nga po eh.
May job pa po kayo, no?
Opo.
Sige po.
Tatawid pa po kami ng ilog.
Sige po. Ingat po kayo.
Salamat po sa inyong lahat.
Papasalamat po ako sa tulong ng mayor sa aming barangay po, sa barangay Laiban ng Rizal. Marami pong salamat sa tulong at biyaya na ibinigay sa amin.
Ang outreach program sa mga katutubo sa pinakaliblib na bahagi ng kabundukan ay nagpapakita ng mahalagang papel ng kababaihan sa industriya ng pagmimina at ang sensibilidad na may sakatuparan ng layunin at simulain ni Nelson Mandela.